Welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make Ankara slippers. These are the materials I will be using: slipper sole, leather, Ankara fabric, Nora, and pepper fiber. Place your sole on your pepper fiber, then trace it this way. After tracing it, remove it. Then cut a smaller version of this traced sole. So this line I am drawing here now, that's where I will cut from. After tracing, I will cut out from this inner traced line. So I'll cut out now. After cutting it, this is what we will have. See how fitted it is. After cutting it out, apply your gum here and here and gum this pepper fiber on this sole this way. After allowing it to dry a little, you gum it together like this. So I've already cut out this Nora with our sole shape. So this is it. So I'll use my sandpaper to smoothen it. So after shaping it with your sandpaper, and if you place it like this, it's fitted now. So we'll apply our gum here and cover it with Ankara material like this. So let's apply the gum. So after applying your gum and allowing it to dry a little, you place it on your Ankara material this way. After smoothing it, you turn it like this. Apply your gum on the edge like this, then fold in this way. So you notch this way. notching, you apply your gum. You apply your gum. After applying your gum, you allow it to dry a little. So I'm folding in now. So this is what we have after wrapping it with Ankara fabric. So the next thing we will do is to form our top slippers. In doing so, I will cut this leather to the shape I want. I want to cut the leather to the shape I want. So this is what I want to use for my slippers. This is the shape I cut out from the leather. So we'll wrap this with Ankara material. So I will apply my gum here and here, then wrap it with Ankara material. Gum on the leather. After which I'll cover it with my Ankara fabric. Also apply my gum here and fold this way. So we'll fold it this way. I will apply my gum here again. This way. Then I'll fold like this. So this is what we have. So this is what we'll have. So I will cut here open and cut here open. So after cutting it open like this, we'll have to also wrap it again. Wrap this place right round, this place right round, and this place right round. So I'm trying to wrap inside this place we will cut this leather open. After piercing this Nora, you put this leather, you pass the leather through the pierced hole. So this is what we have. Now we'll put our gum here and here and gum it together. So add our gum. Our sandal is almost ready. That's what we have here. So we'll apply our gum here and here. Allow it to dry before we place it this way. So after applying the bulb, allow it to dry a little before you come cover this way. So this is what we have. Your hammer to hit it so that it will be firm. So this is what we have. Our Ankara Slippers is ready. So this is it. So you can now tell me what you feel about this in the comment section. Thank you for watching.